Students, today's topic is distance traveled in nth second. So, actually, in previous lecture we have discussed about equation of motion. There are three equation of motion. First one v equal to u plus at. Second s equal to ut plus half at square. And third one v square equal to u square plus 2ax. So these three equations are there. And among these three, this is the equation to find out distance. S equal to ut plus half at square. This equation is generally used to find out distance. What there is difference? Their distance traveled in nth second. And this equation is used for distance traveled in n second. There is difference. क्या difference है? If I am talking about distance travel in 10 second and second one distance travel in 10th second, तो this is the difference. मैं टोटल 10 सेकेंड की डिस्टेंस की बात नहीं कर रहा. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन टोटल ड्यूरेशन. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इन ए पर्टिकुलर सेकेंड. पर्टिकुलर सेकेंड में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक कार स्टार्टेड हियर, ए पार्टिकल स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर एट t equal to 0 second. At t equal to 0 second. And in 10 second means at t equal to 10 second, it is traveled this distance s. At t equal to 0, it is initially at point A, and at t equal to 10 second, it is at point B. So I am not talking about total distance covered. I am just talking about distance traveled in a particular second, means distance traveled in 10th second. At t equal to 9 second, particle was at C. So this is the distance in 10th second. This is the distance, suppose this is d, at t equal to 8 seconds. So this is the distance in 9th second. This is the distance traveled in 9th second. This is the distance traveled in 10th second. So I am talking about nth second, not total n second. Nth second. So what is the process? Very simple process. बहुत simple है. If we subtract this distance from this distance, means if it is total distance s and from total distance we subtract this s dash, means this is the distance traveled in n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 second, then we can find out simply this distance. I think you can understand the thing. If we subtract this s dash distance from this total distance, then we can find out this distance. Okay, so we will, this is distance traveled in n second. Distance traveled in n second. S equal to ut plus half at square. Here t equal to n. So we can put un plus half an square. This is our distance traveled in n second. Now second, distance traveled in n minus 1 second. This is n second, this is n minus 1, 9 seconds. So here this is s dash equal to, we can put here t equal to n minus 1. So from this equation s dash equal to u n minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 whole square. We can put total time t, here we can use t equal to n second, here we use t equal to n minus 1. So distance traveled in nth second, Sn equal to S minus S dash, means distance traveled in, okay, this is what? Distance traveled in n second minus distance traveled in n minus 1 second. So from here Sn equal to un plus half an square minus un minus 1 plus half an minus 1 whole square. Now open this, un plus half an square minus un minus u plus half an square plus half a minus half a into 2n. This is what? N square plus 1 plus minus 2n. So when we multiply half a, this become half a n square plus half a minus half a into 2n. We can cancel out this. So on opening this, this is Sn equal to un plus half a n square minus un. When we multiply this minus sign to whole braces, the sign will be changed. Un plus u minus half a n square plus half a minus, and this is plus an. So this un, this, and what is remaining? U plus an minus half a. This will be left. So Sn equal to u plus half a 2t 2n minus 1. If we take half a common here, what is left? 2n here minus 1. So this is the equation, desired equation, distance traveled in nth second. U plus half a 2n minus 1. So what we have done here? We write the equation s equal to ut plus half at square. Put t equal to n means this is the distance traveled in n second. Next distance traveled in n minus 1 second, and when we subtract total distance traveled in n second minus distance traveled in n minus 1, what we get? We get distance traveled in nth second. So on subtracting, we get this Sn equal to u plus half a 2n minus 1. This is our desired equation.